Today, we're going to show you how to level a shed foundation. We'll use solid masonry blocks. For drainage, some pea gravel under our blocks. 4x4 treated lumber. From the point of an outside corner, measure 3 feet along the string and make a mark. Then measure from the corner along the other string 4 feet and make a mark. Now measure across the diagonal to each mark. It should be exactly 5 feet. Then check all the other corners. We'll use the frame layout to locate the 4x4s and blocks. The shed instructions specify the 4x4 spacing. Start on the outside corner and mark each spot on the string. We'll place our blocks in line with the marks. Let's begin leveling at the highest block and level to the low blocks. Working from the high spot to the low helps keep digging to a minimum. Move the block aside and we'll dig down slightly to remove just the top soil. Put some gravel in the hole and set a block on top. We'll continue digging and placing blocks. We'll put the 4x4 back on the blocks and check how level we are. If we need to level the 4x4, there are a couple of ways. We can add or remove gravel, but don't add gravel above the hole. It will shift. Or add more blocks. Let's check again. This 4x4 is level. Continue leveling the other 4x4s, making sure they're level with each other too. For minor leveling, we'll use some pieces of shingles we cut for shims between the 4x4s and block. Let's set the frame on the 4x4s. We'll square our frame first. Secure the frame at one side with one screw at each 4x4. Our frame is square when the measurements are the same. With the frame square, move to the opposite side and secure it to the 4x4s. Then go back and secure the frame at each point it contacts the 4x4s. Place the panel on the frame and flush to the edge and corner of the frame. Nail down this edge. Move to the other end and use the long edge of the panel like a lever, moving it side to side. This allows you to square or rack the floor. When the edge and corner are flush, nail down this edge. Finish nailing down the panel and install more panels flush to each other and the floor frame. After we attach our floor panels, go back and check for level and make any adjustments.